Hormonal imbalance. It's a very big topic nowadays because all the girls are having hormonal imbalance in their body. So there are main four causes for this. Number one is stress. Number two is unhealthy diet. Number three is lack of sleep. Number four is lot of fat percentage in your body. So how to balance your hormones? There are two very powerful techniques which can lead to hormone balance. Number one is Ushtrasana. So what Ushtrasana is doing in your body? Ushtrasana is balancing your parathyroid and thyroid gland, which can lead to hormone balance. Number two is equal breathing. So how to do equal breathing? In equal breathing, you have to just sit comfortably, close your eyes, inhale for 6 counts, hold for 6 counts, exhale for 6 counts. So this breathing you can perform and have a very good hormonal balance in your body. Thank you so much.